12:24 on this Tuesday afternoon, and we are taking a live look outside courtesy of Sky 5 here in Weslaco, and you see that the skies are relatively clear out there. Only a few little puffy clouds, and those will continue to build up as this daytime heating continues this afternoon. So with that being said, let's take a look at temperatures. 87 degrees here in Weslaco. Feels a little bit hotter than that just because of all that humid air that's around this afternoon. Let's take a look. 90 degrees right now in Brownsville, 88 in McAllen, and 86 degrees as you step outside in Harlingen. Dew point value of 67 will make it feel about 5 or 6, maybe even 7 degrees warmer than these actual readings. So where it does feel like where it is 90, it actually feels like 95 out there. So just be careful, stay hydrated, and if you can, take breaks in the shade. First 1.5 Doppler network has been quiet, but we could see maybe a sprinkle or two this afternoon. So let's take a look at that using Future Track. We start the clock at noon and we put it in motion. Go into 2, not much activity, but there's some stuff popping up just to our south, but really maybe an isolated shower, and you see that over the northern portion of Hidalgo County, but really nothing major or even heavy or widespread expected for the afternoon or even overnight. So with that being said, here's a look at the setup across Texas, and you still see we have that stationary front really not making too much of a move at this point, so that's why they're still saying it's stationary at this point. It's not expected to move over the next couple of days. In fact, it'll kind of stay put, giving us our rain chances and enough instability in the atmosphere to keep some showers going along the sea breeze front each afternoon. Now, when we look at the convective outlook for today, it shows this is the potential for severe weather. And really, we're not in the marginal risk. We're actually in general thunderstorm category all across Texas, well into Oklahoma. And it's not until you look at the southernmost portion of the boot of Louisiana that you start to see a marginal risk, and then a little bit over the upper Midwest, and then you go over to the New England states. That's where you see that slight risk in the yellow, so they could have some strong thunderstorms this afternoon, maybe with some hail and even some gusty winds and very heavy rain. But back here at home, we're really not going to see that. We're just going to bump up your rain chances ever so slightly. So let's look at tomorrow using the high resolution Future Track model. We start the clock at 8 in the morning and notice that about 10 or 11 o'clock tomorrow in the lower valley, we could get a few showers going before the afternoon heats up. So with that afternoon daytime heating, I think that's where we're going to see a lot of the activity, and that could be in the mid to upper valley. It will be spotty in nature, nothing widespread, but you'll notice that there's a few little bullseyes here and there indicating that there could be some heavy passing rain at times. With any thunderstorm that does develop, the rain just could be a little bit heavy, but nothing severe is expected at this point. And by 7 o'clock, by the time the sun starts to set and everything winds down for the day, we lose a lot of that energy, so we really don't see a whole lot of activity after that until early Thursday morning. That's where we could get a few more showers or thunderstorms going for the first half of the day. I'm talking between 2 and 6 o'clock, and mainly for the coastline with this little energy or impulse of energy that could give us a little bit of rain there. But Thursday, we are going to keep your rain chances at around 40% as well as tomorrow. So for the rest of today, we're calling it for partly to mostly sunny skies with temperatures peaking at about 3 o'clock this afternoon near 92, but feeling a lot like the triple digits out there just because we still have all that humid air around us. And as the evening goes on, the clouds are going to thicken up a little bit more. Overnight, it'll be cloudy with low temperatures near 73 degrees. Tomorrow, we're expecting maybe a few peaks of sunshine, and then you will get a few showers or thunderstorms, but I think the clouds will dominate the forecast Wednesday and Thursday, keeping temperatures in the upper 80s for the next couple of days. By Friday, Saturday, Sunday, look at that. We're back to the mid to upper 90s. Or actually the mid 90s, going up to 96 by Sunday with a spotty thunderstorm. And again, we can't rule out maybe a chance for rain each afternoon. It just looks like the best days for this to happen will be Wednesday, Thursday, and then again on Sunday. But again, Wednesday and Thursday are the best days out of the entire 7-day outlook. So we're keeping those rain chances around 40%. Otherwise, it'll be around anywhere between 10 and 30%. Your overnight lows stay in the mid to low 70s for the next 7 nights. That's your updated First Warn 5 forecast. Channel 5 News at noon. We'll be right back.